What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our channel. As you can see, Samuel is here with me today. Say hello.
Hello. Getting my daddy just come out and now I come over there and now I say higher daddy, higher more.
Alright guys, so Samuel was helping me today to give you this drone shot by Phoenix Park Village 2.
Yeah,
so
fun.
He gave me some instructions. He said to go higher, go faster, go over there. So guys, remember that we are out here doing this so that you can
It's a go fast and make it.
Alright, let me finish this part first, please. Yes, guys, so remember to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet done so. Remember to hit your post notification bell. Remember to like this video, share it with somebody, send it all across the world, because somebody can also get the opportunity to see what's happening here in Jamaica. So guys, we're going to show you the drone shot right now and to give you an update on exactly what is going on. So stay tuned and we'll catch up with you at the end of this video. All right. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, a lot of work has been going on here. Place has been painted, windows installed, doors installed, solar water heater installed. So for those who are given the early date, you can see that your units are already being prepared, and I'm sure that they will meet up with the deadline. So guys, remember to stay tuned to this channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. We continue to give you all the updates that we can, when we can. I know you guys have been asking for the container houses and for Women Estate. We have not yet gotten the chance to go that side as yet, but as I said, once you make a request, we try our best to honor it. And guys, you can see that the road is also almost finished. It's just to put the asphalt on this now, so you guys will have a nice entrance into your new housing scheme. So until next time guys, remember to share out the videos. If you're watching and you don't subscribe, may I beg you please just hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, because we're coming back again to give you more updates and you don't want to miss it. So going home now, full days of work, give you a drone shot, go home, go rest now. So take it easy, and we'll catch you guys in another video. All right.